Hello, everybody. So I'm just getting back from my trip, and I'm on my way into the office right now. And for once, I actually have on the same wig because when I left on, what day did I leave on? I left on Friday. I used what did I use? I used where is it? I used that got2b lace jelly, and I used, not got2b lace jelly, the Bold Hold lace jelly, and I used got2b glue. So I used these two products together, and yeah, so I'm not sure if it's because I used both together or because I just didn't take my wig off, because I usually take my wig off every night, but since I was away in Oakland for the weekend, I only I just put my bonnet on and kept my wig on, and so I just had to do a little bit of touch up, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So I'm just doing a little bit of touch up like right here that's lifting, because the whole entire wig didn't lift, just like a little piece on the side, which is what I'm just going to fix today. So yeah, we definitely have our bonnets still available, and as usual, I'm just getting on to show you guys what I'm working on. But I had a really good time this weekend. It was good, and most importantly, I'm happy to be home with my husband, because I love coming home to my husband. Yeah, I'm obsessed with my husband. We're still newlyweds. But the trip was fun. So what did we do? We went wine tasting. We went to Livermore or something like that, honey. We went to 3 different wineries. I brought home a bottle of something that was called Brose, because it was like a rosé, but they said the alcohol content was really high, like shots of alcohol, and it tasted pretty good. So I brought some of that home. That's the wine in the kitchen. And we had a good time. I think I want to go to Napa for my birthday. Actually, I'm going to use this again. Now, I didn't really like it when I used it for the first time. That's why I ended up doubling back with my spray, because I know how this works. But I'm going to try it one more time, just on these little pieces that are flipping up right here, because maybe it was user error, because it was my first time using it. So I'm going to use a little bit of that today, and we're going to see how this goes. But yeah, so we went to 3 different wineries, honey, and it was cool. And then we went down to San Francisco for the night. Ooh, I saw my first what was that car racing that I saw? What was with the S? I don't know. When the cars stop in the middle of the road and start doing wheelies and people are hanging out the road sliding. Is it a slideshow? No. I don't know what it was called, but it was really cool. There was a bunch of people in the middle of the street racing not racing, but doing like donuts with their cars. And I was like, ooh, that looks fun. So that was cool. I did not post that on the story because it looks crazy. And what else did we do? Oh, so we went to a club, almost got in a fight. This drunk girl was pushing me, and like she was behind me because I was at the bar, and she was pushing me. I pushed her back. She pushed me again. Then John stepped in between us and was like, hey girl, back up, to the other girl. And then like her boyfriend came, and so then John and the guy were having like guy talking. He was like, hey, she's drunk, man, I'm sorry. You know, if she does it again, you know, come get me. So it was cool that John was there, because this girl was about to get her ass stomped in. No, I'm kidding, not really, but it was like, if you don't get up off me, like, move. But we had a good time. So yeah, I went to San Francisco for the weekend to visit my best friend who lives in Oakland, and I had a great time. I love getting out the house, but I also really just love being at work. Okay, so you guys see I just used a little bit of that jelly. Am I supposed to put some on top? I don't know. Maybe I'll put... I don't know. Oh, another thing I didn't absolutely love about this Bold Hold jelly is, for me, it dried a little bit white, and I'm not used to having a white residue. So as of now, it's not my favorite product, but I would use it again, especially to just continue to try to figure out how to make it work. So you guys know I'm not a huge baby hair fan, but I'll brush these little baby hairs out just for now. And I love my wig I have on. So we had a good time. Yeah, I was in Oakland, Bay Area, and then when like well, some songs came on, I was like, oh, I should do my this face because I'm in the Bay. Y'all know, if you know me in real life, I'm extra. Of course, I'll be using my band right now. This is available on our website as well. Let me go ahead and tag that here. This is the little brush that I just used. So that's available. Of course, our satin band is available. We have satin and we have elastic. So the one I'm using right now is the elastic band. And yeah. We have lots of bonnets available. We have long bonnets and we have short bonnets. But I had a good time in Oakland, and I'm planning on going to Napa for my birthday this year. So we're going to go back and go wine tasting. And okay, so honey, for my birthday, I want to go to Napa. I'm gonna invite my mom. I'm wondering if we'll do like triple, quadruple birthday thing. I don't know if I wanted to just be a couples thing, as in like me, you, Stephanie, and John, or invite like everybody. But I know I want to be in Napa wine tasting for my birthday. Is that okay? Yeah. So yeah. And now I'm just hydrating my hair, guys, and I'll be good to go. I'll be in the office in about an hour. Maybe I'll do another live later on today. I had an interview this morning with U.S. News and Business. You know, a big deal. But yeah, so let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know your experiences with different wig adhesive. Hola! I don't speak Spanish, but I do see it says hola. Hola means hello. So yeah, let me know your guys' experiences with different types of wig adhesives and wig glues. I really don't like a wig adhesive. Well, I definitely don't like a wig glue. If I do need to use something, I'll use like a wig free spray. Like, that's why I like the got2b, because you gotta really protect your edges, your hairline, and your wig. And I feel like a lot of those wig glues, like the white glues, the really thick glues that you have to put layers on and dry, I really, really feel like those are bad for your hair, because I have a lot of clients who have used those for many, many years, and they have no hairline, they have no edges. And it's because they're using crazy adhesives and adding too much tension from other things. So I'm all about healthy hair. Healthy hair is the way to go. And you can put a wig on your healthy hair, or you can put a wig on your non-healthy hair. Either way, that wig's gonna look fabulous. We are having a bundle sale coming up. So if you guys have been waiting on bundles, come in and buy our bundles. Our sale will be buy 2 bundles and get the 3rd one for $100. We have a lot of bundles in stock right now. We actually have a lot of wigs in stock too. We got a new order this morning, and Tati called me to say we have only 5 wig heads available, and we just got an order of, is it 50 or 65 wigs? So we have a lot of wigs available in the store right now, guys. So come on in, come shop with us at Magic Hair Company, the best glueless lace wig store, not just in the West, but the entire U.S. Ha, that rhymed. So yeah, bundle sale coming soon. We have a lot of wigs in store. Let me know if you guys have any questions. We definitely have our medical reimbursement available right now. The process is taking a little bit longer than we are used to. So right now it's taking about 1 month, but come on in, come shop with us, guys. And if you're just tuning in, this is what I use to re-secure my my wig down today. And if you watch my live a little bit later today, I'll definitely give an update on if it sticks or not and how much I like it. But I'm on my way into the store, and I just wanted to get on here because you guys know I love talking to you, and I'm getting my arms done pretty soon. So if I just stop doing lives for a little bit, it'll just know I'm at home recovering. So pray for me. Yeah, I love you guys. And let me know what kind of content you want me to post, because sometimes I have no idea what to post. And yeah, love you guys. Don't forget to check us out at magichaircompany.com for the best luxury glueless lace wigs. And check us out in our Culver City store. We're located at 8638 Washington Boulevard in Culver City, California. We're open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6, appointment preferred. And yeah, give us a call, send us an email, send us a smoke signal, send us a message, send us a DM, and we will gladly assist you guys. Also, let us know if there's wigs that you want that we don't have, because I can get anything. My colorist is amazing. She can color anything for you. Let us know how we can assist you, because we are the best luxury lace wig store. Bye, y'all, pow, pow. All right, guys, I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.